So we're here with Dr. Joe at the Chiropractic Personal Injury Marketing Seminar, and how's it going? We're just finishing it up, and so how'd the seminar go for you?
It's phenomenal. A lot more information than I was expecting, and it was in a great format. You can really take what you learned here on Monday, transform your practice.
Now, you've been in chiropractic a little while, right?
20 years.
Have you ever seen personal injury put together like this?
Never.
Okay.
Never.
Now, we're real clear on how to handle this soft tissue case, right? So how well do you feel in being able to put a personal injury case together with the documentation and win that case?
Really well.
Okay, because we teach the 4 pillars. So now you know there's 4 specific things that you have to do to win that case. You know those now, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you know them before you came here?
No.
Oh, now. And you've probably done personal injury before, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you're seeing maybe how bad you didn't do it, right?
Well, I'm like every other chiropractor that sucks out there with PI documentation.
Okay. Now, had you been to the Croft seminar before?
No.
So you've never been to the Croft, okay.
I did.
Now let me ask you.
PI
Before, okay. Let me go to the second part. So now you know how to put the case together, but remember we also said that that attorney is going to come at you for pre-existing and for low impact injury. How confident do you feel now that you know how to handle and definitely handle that attorney when he attacks you for low injury impact or pre-existing?
It's night and day, the confidence level beforehand.
Okay.
You know, kind of hide the head in the sand at times.
Kind
But now I'm going to be the expert, and they're going to be the ones needing me. And
Okay.
That's the difference in the framework of the mindset.
Exactly right. But you can see crystal clear after this
Crystal clear.
weekend exactly how this case goes together, right?
Monday morning, everything's
Okay.
changing.
And then now,
Merit charts.
also
out.
you know the talking points to the attorneys, don't you?
Absolutely.
Okay, because that's what gets the business, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I appreciate it.
That's
Thanks.
awesome. No, thank you.
Yeah.